Good morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. US markets remained relatively unmoved on Friday, with the US 500 raging for the past 12 days. Following a flurry of second quarter corporate earnings, attention this week will turn to economic data as investors look for strength in the economy, which may indicate a potential future hike rate. The US 500 added 5 points to close on 2,176.63. The US Tech 100 gained 3 points to close on 4,736, while the Wall Street dropped 10 points to close on 18,448. A leading Federal Reserve policymaker has suggested that the US Central Bank should tread cautiously before pulling the trigger on another increase in short-term interest rates, given potential pitfalls at home and abroad. While some analysts have predicted that the Fed will lift rates as soon as September, William Dudley, president of the New York Fed, said the risk of acting prematurely outweighed those of waiting too long to act. But Mr. Dudley also argued it would be premature to rule out further increases in interest rates this year, as some investors have done, adding that if the economy performed well, rate rises could come sooner than traders expect. In the commodities sector, gold added $14.70 to close on $1,351, while Brent crude applied the brakes to its continuing slump, gaining 17 cents to close on $43.35 a barrel. Energy stocks were under renewed selling pressure on Friday as crude entered bear market territory and investors reassessed the risks posed by low oil prices. Oil and gas companies within the S&P 500 have declined on 8 of the past 10 trading days, including 9% plus drops for Transocean, Marathon Oil, Diamond Offshore Drilling and Murphy Oil. Rising stockpiles of gasoline and an increase in the number of rigs drilling for oil have outweighed the asset class. In Europe, the Germany 30 added 9 points to close on 10,354.4, and the UK 100 dropped 3 points to close on 6,739.2. In today's corporate news, Uber has sold its Chinese operations to rival Didi Chuxing in a $35 billion deal. The FTSE 100 listed Intertech has reported a 15.1% jump in profits in the first half of the year, and Burberry has completed the purchase of its Chinese retail operations. Today's economic data in focus at 9 o'clock in the Eurozone, Manufacturing Purchaser Manager Index for July is released, and at 9:30 the UK Manufacturing PMI for July is released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.